Ban continue ke jingtip halo ke jingnyo Korea ka kumno bat jingkai bat pan Sumaria ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya US and TM da ka jingkershan jong ka Ministry of Jal Shakti jong ka Sarkar India harangkat lang bat ka Sarkar jila ka lapanlong ye ka 4 days residential training on the JJM yakani ka jinghikai lapanlong hapoh ka Public Health Engineering Hall ka badon ha Southwest Khasi District Mawphor la pleperda ye ka te ka jingai jinghikai ha ka arpunetrik uleber aja arpuar da uba renikton lengdo tangkhar Menteri Ketenat Umdi jong ka jila Meghalaya ubadairu MLA jong ka Mawphor constituency ha ka jingadan lang jong ka kong karamai kharkongor Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khasi District u in charge EEPHE Mawphor ba R Nongdhar SDO Mawphor Subdivision kinong ai jinghikai ba kentup ya ka Dr. Nibedita Paul PD KRC Jal Jeevan Mission u Engineer PP Sharma Technical Expert JJM Ritu Parna Berkataki MIS Expert JJM bat uba Onesimus Shangdia Training Coordinator habakren ko mukongsan hagenegesngi uba renekton lengdo tongkhar ulaong kajing pesauto halo kajing don kam jongko umdi kadai banyo bandrung bat banlong do long snam ha iwe paiwe inong shong shnong jong ke jilla bat karihi barok kawe namar kumbakan ni kalong kajing anut bat kajing po asniu jong umintri rang ba adu kari India harangkat ka jinge trailang jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya kitmu ban pen urlong ban pen pai habaro kitliu yeng jong ka jilla
Asok man hadu kata bangidon hakenika sngi ka bawanta wala ka dei ka por ka ba ngalapun kam ladon pak program na kui meeting teringa sto bangai kulei ye SDO kam tamai madam disi nang tabat kini ki official ko wan na po ka University USTM hak ba kirai menjur banrak nak isbu wajib ban up penga banwan benidor kat hagenika training program hagenika por ko menta boleh shibone madam disi bat ya department barakawai SDO bat ya department hanya PHE ya ke bat lele stom kata pada quality bagenika program ke training kalong ka job berkajing kwa kajing anut jogi kalong baai bakani kajing persutho sapang ka JJM sapang kajing don kam jo ka umdik kandarong do long snam ha kajing mut diperkhat jo ki pai ba ira kwa bakadon kajing sokhia kumba kane ka mission kajing angnot ka dream kajong prime minister kajong ka Sarkar India ha kajing trelang jo ka Sarkar Meghalaya bagi perkulang bagpoy umlot haparo tikliye ringa kwa banong ipi balada kata kamrung hakadot not hakajing mut berkat jong piki paipa hakisnon kitau kanong ka ba ya ka Sarkar lada ki nong yalam hakisnon kitau ki wanra kijing ki bobon kanong ka ba ya ka Sarkar Meghalaya lani ka Sarkar India banle hakum kita kijing ka kisnon ki wanra namara kata ngira kam hado kata kijing trailan bagi nakwa ba pi so to ba kiri training hakaba kumno pintit ya ka role la job uwe bagi don kata kijing klik bagi lak contribute bagi long ka daw napi nanga nangi iwe bagi long kata ka daw banong ka channel of blessing kata tenrai jong ka jingker ku hakabangi la banong mangi ka daw ban penyo ya kipai bahasno kan long ba sotan at don ki breu ki bajing sur mansip balana dia ka don ka tulong ka jong pi ka bada ka weipat idon ndrede ka jong pi ka bahae ka ba ibiang ban ai hakanura ka sno.
So this is our 4 days residential training program under Jal Jeevan Mission of Government of India, Ministry of Jal Shakti. Actually, we are USTM. So USTM selected and empaneled by Government of India, Ministry of Jal Shakti to organize numbers of training program, capacity building training program for the community of Meghalaya state. We are also selected for state of Assam too. So this is our first training program we organizing here in Mawphor district of Meghalaya. So this is 4 days residential training program and mainly participants they are from numbers of VWSCs. Actually these VWSCs formed by the Public Health Engineering Department at different villages. So main concept of VWSC is Village Water and Sanitation Committee, and they will look after all the water related activities at Gramin level, that is rural level, and as well as the sanitation activity of the state of Meghalaya of every villages. So under the training program, mainly we are trying to build their capacity, that is the capacity of the participants. After getting training, they will smoothly, they can run their VWSCs, they can form their VWSCs, they can perform as per their role specified in government guidelines. So following the government guideline, they have to open their own separate bank account, and government fund will be transferred to that government account, that VWSC account. Then the committee of VWSC members, mainly they are from Darbar, village council, and one group maybe from other group, those who are mainly working for the community level. So that committee will be responsible for each and every water related activities, from supply to the maintenance of the scheme. So that scheme will be handed over to the community and they will run their scheme. So this is the main objective of the Jal Jeevan mission, to build the capacity and enhance their knowledge how to run VWSC. So as a university, we are interested and we are selected by the Government of India. We are thankful to Government of India, as well as we are thankful to Meghalaya government for giving us such an opportunity, as well as we are very much thankful to Chief Engineer Office, Meghalaya Public Health Engineering Department, as well as Makrewar Division. And also we are thankful to the villagers. They are actively participating in 4 days training residential training program, and as well as I am also thankful to media persons of state of Meghalaya. Thank you.